Okay, so the next activity we're doing, read and comprehend. Activity 2. We'll click on this and it looks like something like this. So you're going to put your name at the top.
Oh no, I gotta hurry.
Laws are something made by the government. And if you click on this, it's going to give you some clues. Okay? It's going to give you some clues. So we need to decide. And some people might have pictures on them. Some people might just have the words. But you have to figure out which one falls into this sentence and makes sense. So laws are what that are made by the government?
Rule.
Laws are rules made by the government.
Rules.
Laws keep us what? What do laws keep us? Kaylin wears a...
Seatbelt.
Nice. If you click it, does it work or do we have to drag it?
Yep, drag it.
Evan crosses at a...
Crosswalk. Crosswalk.
I double clicked, mine went.
And then laws protect
Laws
us.
protect us and keep us safe.
Laws. Laws.
So if you click on it once, it'll tell you it'll select it and tell you what the word is, and then if you click it twice, it'll move. So that's how it goes.
Then do it, go back.
Listen, remember when you're finished, don't click the done button. You're going to want to click on your globe, and then you can go to home, okay? Because if you click done, it's going to log you out of the whole thing, okay? Okay. What you can do next, we're going to skip this book report because I just don't think we have quite enough time. So what you can do is click on this unique. Yep. And then you can go into these L3 skills, and these are all skills that are chosen for you by me.